Market crash, is it coming? Here's an email I've just received. Hi, Alpesh. Can I have some advice, please? I've recently cashed in all of my non quality stocks. And so I currently have cash plus quality stocks in my SIP. Ordinarily, I would now look to buy more stocks. I am a bit concerned about the possibility of a crash in the near future, and I wondered if it makes any sense to liquidate my quality stocks as well and put everything into a low risk solution for the next couple of months. Well, of course, we don't have a crystal ball, and it's quite reasonable to feel this way. And what I would suggest to people is that they use this little tool, uh, and that will help them work out exactly how they feel. But there's an even better one than I've done than this. And it goes around regret minimization when you have an uncertain future. And presumably, you will feel, should the market continue going up, that you're fine because you didn't want to take the risk that it might fall. And should it fall, then you'll feel vindicated. Okay, so here's the other one that I want to show people on the screen. And I'm going to just put it up now, which is this one. And you can see it nicely. Okay, so if you are going towards being highly risk averse, very simple answer. Okay, just hold cash until clear sign of recovery. Now, how we actually specifically teach this on the Great Investments Program will be, is it a daddy bear? Some people don't want to wait, so the earlier one helps. What we don't do is try and predict what's going to happen in the future, and we just instead change our risk holdings based upon our appetite. Okay, so that should help along the way. Any questions? Let me know.